Your data is being bought and sold every day by companies you're not even aware of, and for considerable amounts. How much do you earn out of it? Not a cent. Presenting Tapestri, made around the belief that it's your data and you should get paid for it. Now earn money while living your life as normal without having to move an inch. Just download the app, sign up, and let Tapestri do the earning for you. You don't even have to open the app if you don't feel like it, and still earn money as the app runs in the background. But if you do, you'll be part of a world full of Tapestri users, interacting via cool and exciting avatars while making money. Enjoy daily activities and earn cash in the process. An app that makes earning easy and fun while keeping you anonymous to ensure privacy? Well, yes, that's Tapestri. Download today and start earning.